you're fine and doing well. So I want to just explain you how I'm using the task bar from Perplexity. So there is many. Currently, I'm using the comic, which is a browser by Perplexity. So let me show how do I'm using. Uh, just go to perplexity.ai. Then in the sidebar, come to task. Okay. So what this task do? This is a task that will perform automatically. If you are a financial dude, you need to get information on daily basis. If you need any financial information on hour basis, there may be hectic way to find every time going for a and searching will be hard. So what you can do? So you can sit for hour and two and write a good prompt. Then you can do for discovery mode or research based or labs. Then it automatically runs. Or for certain criteria, if you want a certain, if the trade is going around, if a stock price is going for 500, if you want to invest when it is for 400, then you can create that alarm for two, or not just for that stock market, for any role. If you want any job, then you can do the same thing. So you can enter your preferences, your preference for location, then just you can give the task. It will search automatically when it will provide. So already I have given some task for that. You can see how does it functions. Mm, on daily basis, I gave like once. If you need only just for now, you can just try. Or weekly basis, daily basis, every week, weekday, monthly or yearly. On what time you want. Like for the day basis, it is around like this, right? If once it will be like on which time you want that to be happen, and do you want any expectation days, when you click on daily, at what time you want. If you keep weekly, on which day you want. If you every weekend, so on what time. Like every monthly, like which date you want. Every yearly, which date and which month you want. Just on your preference, it will be all be delayed. Depends. Then optionally, if you want to expire, like okay, it is good for me to search for a certain time. If I don't get the job I need, if in 6 months I get the job, so I don't need this, so you don't use this. Otherwise you can. uh, so this is the query I raised from past work. So for the time constants, let me copy same prompt. How can we? So when we come to the task bar, just write a good task, schedule. Like I want, it's every weekly on Sunday at 10 a.m. So there is, I hope there is 10 a.m. Okay, every half an hour they break down. I need at 10 a.m. and the description goes like this. And I want this to be in labs. No, the prompt is not pasted. Okay, then the sources that I am giving are, I need all the status need to be given. Like I need web search and academically and socials and financial too. So then save. This is the way that we'll create. So next task will be on the 23rd and every day 4 p.m. and every day 8:30 p.m. If you want to show, if you would like to see some of the old replies, like I would like to show like consistent bullet points for the from the last 24 hours. See, it's gave me this on. I guess this is for morning one, evening one. Then we go for morning 8 a.m. one. It gave me like this information. So not just updating about AI, but in when you're looking for the job, also this will be like good thing to have to search for the job that you are looking for. And if you are looking for any if you are looking for any good and interesting videos on anything related to AI, I would like to make it on that. Then have a good day. Mm, when you are seeing this time, I don't know, but good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good night. See you next video.